0.1% oblique 1000. 0.1% means 1 out of 1000. If we operate 1000 resistors at full rated power for 1000 hours, after this time, out of 1000 resistors, one resistor may fail. That is called reliability or failure rate. What is resistor and why are these color bands on this resistor? We will discuss each and everything about this resistor. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Friends, welcome back to my channel. In electronics, when we say resistor is a passive component. Anything which provides resistance in flow of current, that is called resistor. When it will block the current, it will dissipate power. It has some ohmic value. Then it will produce heat that is measured in watt rating. These two parameters are basic parameters for any resistor. This ohmic value, most of the time it is printed in numeric format in form of some numbers, 2 kilo ohm, 3 kilo ohm, 4 kilo ohm. Sometimes the wattage is also mentioned on the resistor body. A very common method to indicate the resistor value on resistors is color coding. Values are printed in color format. Each color will indicate a special number that is provided in color code chart. What is the location of that band? What is the meaning of that band? If it is in third or fourth location, it will multiplier. In fifth location or fourth location, it will tolerance. Sixth location, maybe it is temperature coefficient, and maybe it is failure rate. Sometimes it is also printed in alphanumeric format. Sometimes that is coded. Different standards are used to indicate the resistor value. For commercial resistors, EIA standard is used. E24, E96. That standard will define what is the value of this band, what is the position of this band, and what information will be provided by this color band. If we are discussing military standard resistors like military standard 1285D, that will define the same color codes but in military style. How to locate the band position? There are different techniques to indicate first band. Now if you see the color bands on this resistor, the first color band here, that is starting from extreme left corner. So it is first band, second, third, and this band has some more distance from these two bands. So this is multiplier. First significant digit, second significant digit, third significant digit. Multiplier. Tolerance. If we are discussing commercial standard resistor, EIA standard, that time this red band, the sixth band, is known as temperature coefficient band, TCR. In military standard, that is called reliability band or failure rate. First significant digit brown, second significant digit black, third black. These are significant numbers. We will locate the color band. Brown value is 1. Then black value is 0. Then black 0. So these are significant numbers. Then there is multiplier band, that is slightly distant from the first three bands, that is orange band. We will locate the value of orange multiplier 1K, 1000. So it is 100 and 3 zeros ohms or 100 kilo ohm. Next band is brown. It is tolerance. What is tolerance? Why tolerance is mentioned on a resistor? During manufacturing process, these resistive materials are mixed with different ratios, and it is much more difficult to take 100% exact value, that is 100K. So this value will mention that this resistor may deviate from this center value in positive side or in negative side. That is due to manufacturing process. This 100K resistor will be acceptable from this range to this range. Some are 5% tolerance, 10% tolerance, 20% tolerance, and now more accurate resistors that are called select resistors or precise resistors that are providing more accuracy to its center value, that is tolerance. In our case, brown is plus minus 1%, red 2%, green 5.5%, blue 0.25, violet 0.15, gray extremely precise 0.05%. Normally gold, silver, gold 5%, silver 10%, no band 20%. These resistors are not used too much. Most commonly used gold and silver. Brown plus minus 1%. 1 divided by 100, 0.01, multiply by 100,000. 1000 ohms. That means this is 100K. If it is plus 1%, plus 100,000, 101K or minus 99K. If we bring resistor 100K with brown marking, brown band, this is defined by manufacturer, that if this resistor falls between this window, that resistor will be good. Next band, red. If we are discussing commercial standard resistor, that is EIA standard resistor, that time this red is TCR, 50 ppm per degree Celsius or 50 ppm per Kelvin. 50 ppm per degree Celsius or 50 ppm per Kelvin. We know any electronic component, any electronic device will change its specifications with change in temperature. This band will indicate how much a resistor will deviate from its normal value by change in temperature. At 25 degrees Celsius, if this resistor is 100 kilo ohm, after 1 degree increase or decrease, what will the resistor deviation? Either in plus or minus. 50 ppm, that means 50 parts per million. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 0.00005. That is for 1 ohm. Now we will multiply with 100K. 1, 2, 3. 5 ohm. 5 ohm change at per degree Celsius or per Kelvin. If temperature is 25 degrees Celsius and resistor is 100K, what will the value at 50 degrees Celsius? Now we will multiply with 25 and 25 degree increase. That is 125 ohms. this 125 ohm will increase in that value. Let's suppose this resistor is accurately 100 kilo ohm. With change in temperature, when resistor was 100K at 25 degrees Celsius, that is provided from the manufacturer, we are operating it at 50 degrees Celsius, so its resistor will jump either 125 ohms in positive side or in negative side. So it is change in resistor with change in temperature. If we are discussing military standard 1285D, that time this sixth band will indicate failure rate or reliability. That time this red color will indicate 0.1% oblique 1000 hours. 0.1% over 1000 hours. 0.1% one resistor out of 1000 resistors. If we operate 1000, this 0.1% means 1000 resistors for 1000 hours. Again, if we operate 1000 resistors for 1000 hours at full rated power, after 1000 hours, out of these 1000 resistors, maybe one resistor will fail. 0.1% oblique 1000, 0.1% means 1 out of 1000. If we operate 1000 resistors at full rated power for 1000 hours, after this time, out of 1000 resistors, one resistor may fail. That is called reliability or failure rate. If you are new to my channel and you have not subscribed my channel and you are interested to watch these videos, you can subscribe my channel. If this video is informative, give a thumb up. If you have any question, please write in the comments. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.